Manipur Top Channel dugi video amda thagasage ngasi fongbase fongda mayai kaba drug lalonbada senarambagi suspend tawkhraba Moreh Police Station gi OC ngasi Special Judge and the NPS Manipur gi court puthoklaba matungda court asina December 3 fawba numit 15 gi police custody remand pithakre. Case adugi ayona special PP gi kuthangda thagalakkiba report aduna pallibadi case adugi maru oiba accused oiriba Lilong Tairen makhongdagi MD Ishaudin fagatpa ngamdana leiriba amadi accused oiriba OC Letkhau Baifai gi mathakta investigation chathaba tangai fadaba leibana December 3 fawba judicial custody da remand pibinaba pre tawkhe. Amaromda council gi maikaidigi remand objection file tawbuga loinana bail da thadokpinaba bail application thakhe. Court asina nakal animaki hearing amadi police ki case record kupna yenglaba matungda police ki judicial custody da remand pibinaba pre adu maram chaba leibana ayaba piki amasung December 13 da remand objection gi application adu hearing gi damuk matam lepkhibane. Panba yabadi haukiba November 12 da Tingnaupal District Police na Moreh Police Station gi ASIT Pomilun haukif yamlaba mayai kaba drug Ketamang Konana Mahaki New Moreh Ward number 9 that lay Mum de Fort Kibane. Makatana Moreh Police Station Constable Driver Luxon Com Amadi Head Constable MD Khalilu Fagat Kraba Mayai Kaba Drugsing Adu Putok Pusin Tarambugi Damuk Fagat Ki Amadi Case Adu the Station Adugi OC Letkhau How by Face and Naramadigi November Taraga Mangada Fagatuna police custody the Lerakibane, Loinana, Taudo Aduga Mari Lainana police custody the Lady personal Ahungi Makataba proceeding Gidama. Huiyen court puthok lagani pa mayam pa khiraso viewers me ngak pigini and thank you.